Hey guys, this is Deborah, aka Dee Charles here, and I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited that you're here tonight, and I want to share with you some information that may possibly help you make a decision to become an affiliate marketer, or to help you in your if you are already a marketer, to help you with your marketing endeavors. Tonight we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing for newbies, and basically if you're someone who's wondering how can I get started as an affiliate marketer without a website. I know that was one of the questions I asked when I came to the platform, to this market, this system of business, the affiliate marketing business. I was wondering, well, how am I going to take a link that someone gives me and promote it? And so I want to share that information with you. But before I do, I want to say again, thank you for coming to my channel. I am Deborah Charles, aka Dee Charles, and I am the CEO of SuccessWithDee.com, where I inspire, motivate, and appreciate other online marketers, newbie marketers, uh, affiliate marketers, and home-based business owners who are just like me, who have decided to jump out of their comfort zone, kick life back in the butt, and build them a financial legacy, leveraging social media. Um, Affiliate marketing is a really simple system. Uh, you you get other people's products and you promote those products to your audience. Make sure though that your audience, you are clear on who your audience is, because the products that are the promoting should be products that would either help them with a problem that they may have, and be the solution to your audience and your customers' problems. So how you do this? Um, Again, I will give the example of Amazon. Amazon is probably one of the number one affiliate marketing programs that people go to, along with some more. But I'm going to use Amazon as an example. You go to Amazon and you go to they have an affiliate link program. You connect with that program, and then you they give you a link, and then you share that link, and you can share it in your emails. You can share it in your your links in your your sale pages, landing pages, uh, uh, various places, uh, emails. What else? So on social media, you can even do paid advertisement with the link. But what you're doing is you're getting people eyeballs to it, and the best way to do it is to drive traffic to that link, and then you make the connection. Once you make the connection and you drive the traffic, you're gonna get leads. And so those leads, you need to email those leads every day, so that you can become familiar with them, and they, show those offers or those products to those leads, so that you can make sales from it. And then the next thing you need to do is make sure that that you are carefully having your plan in place. And you just don't want to go and just pick up any kind of product. You want to make sure that that vendor is someone that have integrity about it, because sometimes you can, people be kind of not on the up and up about stuff. So you don't want to just put something off on your customers that's not really valuable. Um, so that is how you do that, and you'll realize that once you get started, you'll realize that this basically is like a done for you system. Everything is set up. The one that I use in my business, I click on it, and I know that I can go there and it'll give me a link, and it's an affiliate link, and I go to that link, and majority of the time it depends upon what the product is. I'm getting everything that I need to promote that product. I mean, your swipe copies and you know, even banners and different things like that that will help you to promote the product. But only thing you're doing is you're just getting eyeballs on that link, and you know, even with your line, you can give it to your friends and co-workers up to the link if they are a frequent user. I again of Amazon, because I know a lot do Amazon. If they are frequent users of Amazon, then give them the link. And when they go to the link, that they can, you still make the commission from that. So if you have found value in this information, then send me a comment. If it's something that you would like to try, below this video, I'm gonna leave the link where I to my affiliate programs. I do make a commission. I want to be transparent about that. If you click on the link, any of the links below, I do make a commission from those links. So if you found value from this and you need some more information, just go ahead and send me a comment, and I will get back with you. I would love to help you with whatever problem that you have, or to help you to get started doing your business. This is Deborah Charles, and if you click the links below, the subscribe button and the notification button, so that you can get back with me on my next video. I'll talk with you guys later, and you have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.